Oil leaks can be a nuisance and cause severe engine damage if left unchecked. Knowing how to prevent and fix them is essential for maintaining your car's health. Monitoring your oil levels helps detect leaks early. Low oil can signal a leak or excessive consumption. Use the dipstick to check levels every few weeks. Top off the oil if needed and keep records of any changes. Always use the oil type recommended by your car's manufacturer. The wrong oil can degrade seals and cause leaks. Using synthetic oil when not recommended can also harm seals. Be consistent with the oil brand and density. A loose drain plug can cause leaks. Check it after every oil change to ensure it is tight. Replace worn-out washers if needed. Use a torque wrench to avoid over-tightening. Clean the plug area before reinstalling to ensure a proper seal. A poorly installed or damaged oil filter can leak. Change your filter with every oil change. Double-check it for tightness and proper fit. Then, add the oil according to your car's manual. Start the car and let it run for 10 to 15 minutes to check for any leaks. Gaskets seal engine parts and can wear out over time. Inspect them during maintenance. Replace cracked or hardened gaskets promptly. Use quality gasket materials for longer life. Clean the mating surfaces thoroughly before installation. A clean engine helps spot leaks more easily. Use a degreaser and rinse carefully. Avoid spraying electrical components. Clean oil residue promptly to prevent buildup. Protect sensitive parts with plastic covers while cleaning. Regularly check your parking spot for oil stains. Fresh drips can indicate a new leak. Early detection can prevent larger problem. Mark the spots to track leak patterns. Use cardboard under the car to catch drips. Road debris can damage the oil pan, leading to leaks. Inspect for dents and cracks. Repair or replace the pan if needed. Install a skid plate for added protection. Regular undercarriage inspections can spot early damage. Monitor the rear main seal, as it is prone to wear and leaks. Regular inspection can help detect problem early. Replacing it requires professional help. The timing cover seal can leak over time. Look for oil near the front of the engine. Replace the seal if necessary. Inspect the timing belt for oil contamination. Use OEM parts for consistent fit and performance. A clogged positive crankcase ventilation valve can cause pressure buildup. Replace the PCV valve if clogged or damaged. Inspect related hoses for cracks. Clean the valve regularly to ensure proper function. Overheating can damage seals and cause leaks. Check the cooling system regularly. Refill coolant and replace faulty parts as needed. Flush the radiator as part of routine maintenance. Inspect hoses for signs of wear. Parking on steep inclines can worsen existing leaks. Try to park on level ground. This reduces oil pooling and leakage. Use wheel chocks for added stability. Check for leaks before moving the vehicle. Oil coolers and their lines can develop leaks over time. Inspect for cracks and loose fittings. Replace worn lines promptly. Flush the cooling system to remove contaminants. Use reinforced hoses for durability. Inspect the oil pressure sensor. The sensor itself can leak if it's faulty. Check it during routine maintenance and replace any leaky sensors to prevent drips. Regular inspection can help catch problems before they cause damage. Too much oil increases pressure and leakage risk. Stick to the recommended oil capacity. Drain excess oil if needed. Check levels after driving to ensure accuracy. Dispose of excess oil properly. Old, dirty oil can cause sludge buildup. Change your oil at recommended intervals. Fresh oil helps maintain seal flexibility. Use a high-quality oil filter. Consider a full synthetic oil for cleaner operation. If leaks persist despite maintenance, seek professional help. Some problems require specialized tools and expertise. Better safe than sorry. Document repairs for future reference. Avoid DIY fixes if unsure of the procedure. By following these tips, you can keep your car running smoothly and avoid costly repairs. Remember, small leaks can turn into big problems if ignored. Staying proactive with maintenance can save you time, money, and stress in the long run.